Hello dear sub friends and sub colleagues, welcome to 2024. First of all, I would like to say that in the last 3 weeks I haven't been recording any videos. I took the time for myself and I was thinking about how exactly I want to structure the channel in the future, and I will definitely stay very closely to what I've been doing in the last weeks, in the last months. But however, in this year I will try to make some more interesting videos. For instance, I would like to show you how I am working in the nature. This would be one of the videos which I'm planning to do. And furthermore, I would like to show you some more very technical videos, if I am able to call them this way, where we talk about the tech, so to say, on a very deep level, because I'm very interested in all these stuff like microprocessors, like database technologies, like engines of databases and stuff. But however, in this video I would like to show you something very small, something very useful, which you can use in ABAP. And for this reason, let's jump into SAP, into the SAP system, and see what I want to show you. Okay, so as you can see, we are into the SAP system and I'm already logged on. Maybe some of you have watched my previous videos and it is pretty clear that my system is in German. I hope that this does not bother you. If I'm explaining something, I will definitely say what it is in English and how it looks like in English. But however, now we are into the local objects, right? And I will go to programs. And these are all my test programs here, which are local objects. And local objects basically means that they cannot be transported. They cannot be, so to say, sent to the next system. They cannot be sent to production, if you wish, or transported into production. And for this reason here, I would like now to create a program. So basically, right mouse click, and here we have the name of the program which we want to create, and I would like to create a program which I'll call ZBlock, but not change, because this is something a little bit different. I would like to call it overall change, because it's basically overall, and you'll see what I exactly mean by this. So we create a program, we just save it without really to bother what the settings of the program would be. And now what we need is actually we want to declare a structure. We want to declare a small structure, and for this reason I would like now to write something like ls plain. And why plain? Because I've been explaining this a few times, but SAP has test data. I mean, all SAP systems, even the systems which are provided for without any cost, so to say, because there are such systems which you can install at your home. SAP has test data, and almost all the test data has to do with the so-called plane, aircraft, and stuff test data. I mean, basically, this is all about flights and aircrafts and airplanes and stuff. For this reason, there is one of the most common tables from this test data. It is called, and now we will use it. It is called spfly, and what exactly we want to do now, what we basically done is we declared a local structure, a ls plane, and basically ls plane has now the type of spfly, basically all the fields of this table. And what we want to do is we want now to create let's say 6. I mean, we want to set values to 6 of the fields of this local structure. Right, and I know some of the fields already, and basically this would be the car ID, the connection ID, the city from the city to, and we have airport from airport to, right? Okay, and now we need the values which we want to set here. Basically, the thing which I want to show you here, it is very, very small thing, but very useful thing. There are a lot of very useful things if you want to be a very good developer. But let's now just write some values here. I can copy this. Okay. So, just a second. Right. The carriage ID would be Lufthansa or LH. The connection ID would be 1 or 0001. We are tripping from Vienna to Waldorf. Basically, there is no airport there, I think, in Waldorf. But however, maybe there is. There should be. There should be. But it will be very small. However, let's just now write it like this. These are the keys, the abbreviations of the airports. Okay, and what I want to show you is something very, very useful, as I said. Let's say you want to change the name of the structure, and you decided not to be plain, but to be, let's say in German, you want to be Flugzeug, right? LS Flugzeug, or let's say Flug, just Flug for flight. If you don't want to type it 6 times, I mean the new name of the structure, you gotta go in front of the first one, press Alt, select it like this, and then just write it. I mean, write the new one, and it will be written everywhere. And now, if I now write LS Flug. Oh, okay. And you should not make mistakes. I forgot to mention this, because if you go back, then it would be, you delete just the first one. Now I'll go back a few times, and once again, I'll click in front of the first one, press Alt, select the whole part with a 6 and write LS underscore Flug. And this was it, right? Pretty simple. So guys, as I've explained it before to start, this is something very simple, which you, if you're a developer, it's good to know it, it's good to use it, because it can, so to say, speed up a little bit more your work. This is something with which a small tip or something very small with which I would like to welcome you in the new year. And just stay tuned, guys, and expect more good videos in which you learn a lot of stuff in the next months and actually in the next year. And thank you for your attention. Thank you for being so good subscribers and watching all my videos. I'm very satisfied with the progress that I've made in the last year, because I see the analytics and it's all going pretty well. And I hope you enjoyed. If this is the case, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, write some comments, and once again, stay tuned, friends. Till next time.